Formalized procedures that adhere to industry best practices are vital for maintenance organizations seeking high performance. Standardized and documented processes offer numerous advantages. They establish a benchmark for measuring performance against expectations. They provide a framework for training, ensuring consistent execution of tasks. They also serve as a foundation for continuous improvement. The process of creating procedures from scratch can be overwhelming. It is time-consuming and dependent on already limited resources. Moreover, a lack of relevant expertise may result in subpar procedures that fail to enhance performance or yield desired results. Don't worry. Marshall Institute has done the groundwork for you. Our team of subject matter experts and technical writers has devoted countless hours to developing a comprehensive library of maintenance and reliability procedures based on the industry best practices. This library comprises two collections, Maintenance Work Management and MRO Storeroom Management. The Work Management collection includes 23 process guides defining the workflow within the maintenance department. The Storeroom Management collection has 24 process guides for inventory control and optimization, as well as effective procurement practices. That adds up to 876 detailed procedural tasks. Each process guide comes with a corresponding workflow and RACI chart and follows a consistent structure. Additionally, each collection includes a master RACI chart, which provides a comprehensive overview of responsibilities for each job function, a master process guide template that can be used for combining the existing or creating new process guides, and 2 types of flowchart templates to help you design your own workflows. All documents are provided in editable formats, so you could easily customize them to suit the specific needs of your organization. Don't miss this chance to take your organization to the next level. Contact Marshall Institute now and get ready to see the difference.